Welcome to my day trading recap. Watch as we go through what happened in the market today and how we capitalized on it. We are trading with a small account challenge. We started with $1,000 and we made some good gains so far. Today we made $1,183.50 on Apple calls and Tesla puts. Today we did options.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
So the SPY fell a few days ago and it kept going down because the new COVID variant and the Fed meeting at 2:30. Due to this uncertainty, the SPY was pushed all the way down all week long, 470 to 461, and awaiting the news, it popped hugely to the upside. Now we capitalize on this move, and we expect to capitalize more tomorrow when the jobless claims come out tomorrow. Now, for Apple, we traded with options today. We bought 6 contracts at the lows, and then we're gonna hold it. We're gonna probably sell it tomorrow at the highs, or we'll see what happens. So that's how we made $1,000 on that. And then for the leaps, we got January next year. Leaps 1 year out. You could go further, 15 months, 16 months. However, I can just roll it later. So we got the January 2023 contracts, and now it's worth 17 to 1800. We got around 13. So we're gonna see what we can get tomorrow for them. Also, we're gonna look for better long-term leaps, put our profit into there, and continue to use our money to day trade the initial money we have. The reason why I'm doing options this time is because one contract is 100 shares. So if I was to buy Apple at 100 shares of Apple myself, I'll be paying $17,900 now, $17,900 for 100 Apple shares. However, since I'm only buying one contract at $1,300, I control 100 shares. It's way cheaper, and I get 100% returns. So if it goes up 20%, I'm making 120% returns. Depends on the delta, however. So it's more like 70% returns. It depends how much Apple goes up. So I expect out of my returns, Apple projected to hit 210 by Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, Bank of America. Personally, I project it to go up by next year to 230, 220 to 250 by July. Projections of what you would make. Okay, so I added 10 contracts of the 200 calls in January, which would be a 15,000 investment, and I would control 1,000 shares. This is how it looks. If the stock does hit 250 by July of next year, I would make around $42,549. 240, 33,000, 220, 16,500, and 230, 24,700. So just by investing in these leaps, that Apple already beat the market this year. It went up around 45%. It beat SPY controls 500 of the top companies in the world, like Amazon, Apple, Tesla, and Apple beat it. SPY only went up 28% this year. Apple went up around 45%. So if you guys just invested in Apple this year, you would have beat the market. You would have made way better returns than what you guys probably lost in day trading. However, day trading isn't bad, but I have a strategy. You know what I mean? I go out long term with my profit. The day trade with a certain amount of money, so I'm always winning. Those of you who wants to read what exactly happened in the Fed meeting today, here you go. I'm not gonna go over it. However, you can pause the video and read why the market went up.